Hey guys, hold up here. Gonna be the interaction to Revenge of Thunder Blight, I believe it is. Yeah, part 3, Birds of a Feather Fall Together by Lightning Bliss. So she's been kind of corrupting everybody, so yeah, that's fun. So I wonder who's next. Who might be going that. So she's going after Golden Fox and Keyframe, so yeah. Also, I've noticed a lot of videos. Newer MLP stuff is coming out. I'll try to react to that, but Azeroth kind of keeps being a bit of a dick to me, so yeah, it's hard. And I haven't made a video in a while because my computer was failing, so I had to repair it. But anyway, let's get to the video. Head to it. No one. Wonder which one's Gold Fox and which one's Keyframe. Aww.
What do you think, Goldie?
I like that new style.
Move this to the left
Makes her look
or
cute.
to the right?
Oh, there's her boy toy.
You'll never have this.
Pretty straight to me, but you're more of the art expert. I just came here to be with you. You've been so busy lately, and...
Oh, right. I'm sorry, sweetie. I know, I've been keeping myself preoccupied lately.
Yeah, they're really good artists.
I hope you don't mind. I'm sorry I've been missing time to be with you.
Hey, it's
I'm
okay. I know
really
who
into
you are.
big art.
If anything, I think you and Bliss are like twins. You both are workaholics. Are you sure you two didn't get separated at birth?
Oh, ha ha ha. At least Bliss goes to bed on time. Well, most of the time.
Uh-huh.
I don't have a
Doesn't
bed.
get enough
Well,
to
I
eat
kind of
and
give
stresses
myself
over all that
bedtime,
works
but
ahead of
that,
time.
yeah.
You are the one who doesn't sleep enough.
Oh, shush. Don't you start acting like Dr. Wolf to me, or right out of my channel.
Landlord
You're
Scar.
only getting huffy because you know I'm right, and... Shh. No, it's true. There are some nights where your eyes are so heavy they look like...
No, seriously, Goldie. Shh.
I hear the wind.
What?
And the
I don't
voices
hear
tell
any-
me to kill everybody. I mean,
What the f?
everything's fine.
Oh, my tinnitus!
It's
What
Blight.
can I say? I'm a blast from the past.
Thanks, Key. I had no idea.
Son of a...
She's definitely getting stronger.
Thunder Blight?
Aw, the cute, adorable unicorn and Pegasus couple. How lucky of me to catch you two in one place. I do hope I was interrupted.
Oh,
with some
those
fun
two are always at
times.
each other's legs,
How
if
did
you guys
you-
my drift.
Where did you come from? How did you emerge from Bliss? Celestia knows she didn't bring you here by her choice.
So many questions. Don't you ever shut up?
I saw you
Sheesh,
showing
understand why
Starlight's
Lightning Bliss
picture,
likes your
dick.
reviews. You talk too much.
Is Lightning Bliss okay? She's not been...
Oh, she's alive, if that's what you mean. Not that should be any of your concern.
Keyframe.
What do you mean, Blight? What did you do to Bliss?
Okay. Those two random dudes?
Look, dude, all I'm saying is we need to get creative in our reviews if we're gonna keep up with the demand. More lasers! that's what I'm saying.
Last time I saw that
keep up easily.
yellow
People love
po-
my
and
interdimensional
he
quips on my
was an
channel.
earth pony
And I'll have you
and
know-
was a dude.
What do you think, boys? I'm walking on sunshine. Whoa!
Hold up a second.
She's none of your concern. You should be worried about your miserable skins.
Blight, I swear, if you...
Also, what the hell?
I'll have you...
Have me
Oh,
what?
Seriously? We're doing this again? How many times are we gonna bring these alter egos back? It's like a horror movie franchise.
You think you could stop me?
Oh,
you
that's
big
kind of
Pegasus?
the only choices
Have
bronies
that passion and
have,
pride of yours in
entertainment-wise.
before you get
Everyone's
hurt.
done everything.
Bliss has never seen me fight, so I doubt you'll know what's coming.
Then come at me, bro.
Kind of like what I said
I
in
would
a
love to see you try.
Red versus, or not Red, Dungeons and Dragons battle. And I almost got everybody killed. Everyone wanted to kill me at the end. Ooh, I like this. Make this into a game. That looks fun.
It's easy. Bliss had better aim than you. Whoa!
Goldie, be careful!
Oh yeah, definitely make that to a game.
Bad. Not bad at all.
Sort of thanks to these guys, the brony community's fame grows.
Darkness always surfaces to victory.
Seriously, Blight? You haven't even touched me. I think you were overcompensating for something here.
Shut up!
She hates being called small.
Did I struck a nerve?
You wouldn't know what I'm about! You and the rest of your friends never gave me the chance to show you all what I am really capable of, but not anymore! I am sick and tired of being seen as the weak link, or a measly little alicorn without any respect.
Aww.
I'm sick of hearing nothing but begrudged comments about being a Mary Sue, or too OP. For so long I have
scrapped my original alicorn.
In my mind, taking it all day by day.
Mainly because
comment, the haters constantly getting
similar
away
reasons.
with their cringy, inconsiderate, disrespectful excuses for comments and critique. While Lightning was set by and merely defended herself with laughable defenses.
Damn.
Blissey.
You're cringy. You're a Mary Sue. You're overpowered, unoriginal, pathetic, weak. And when we tried to defend ourselves professionally,
you can go yourself.
We were met with accusations of being angry and hurtful. Well, if they thought Blissey was mad then, wait till they get a load of me when I take over. When I'm done with this cafe, with this community, they will have to come up with new definition of what it means for Thunderblight to hate you all!
Oh crap. Hopefully they do an upgrade with the whole thing.
What, bird?
I'm sorry
that'd be
happened to
awesome.
you, Bliss. I really am. I had no idea how much stress you were going through. Bliss always seemed to be bright-eyed and happy, despite some issues she's had in our community, and she always tried to have a strong face among us. I also know what it's like to be angry and have such resentment to those who have hurt you in the past.
Oh yeah, big time.
So much
I was
so, in
bullied
fact.
a lot.
How did you deal with...
Good story. He moved away.
You go out of your way to rant and rave about your frustrations. But Blight, I know the consequences of lashing out to everyone because of your rage. It conquers everything that is you, devours and consumes you. The pain can be so intense that it feels like it will never go away. But it will never go away, Blight. I know this because there are always going to be someone with an opinion you'll not agree with.
Yep.
But that doesn't mean you're not alone facing it.
Come on, Golden. Help her calm down.
She must really struggle with magic.
Can send her back.
You and Bliss have never been alone in your struggles. If anything, you are a lot like her own Tanipus.
Aww.
Cooped up for so long because she was too scared to show everyone else what you are capable.
That's what's great about us sensitive guys.
It's okay. We understand how upset you are. Now, let your friends help you to show you that you don't have to go.
She's gonna do the Chrysalis thing and slap his foot, isn't she? Or hoof. Yep. Right.
Who said I wanted any friends? You all played a hand in the stresses I've dealt with, you insignificant fool! Even Dr. Wolf has already paid the piper for his treason against me! What? Exactly. And I intend to see
I'm
my
surprised
revenge
that two
through,
other ponies
for
aren't like,
friends
okay,
or
let's go
not.
warn somebody.
After I've dealt with you all, this community will fall
I'm not
into
good at
darkness.
remembering everyone's
And
names.
then
And that's Sarge over there.
You don't know my name, do you? You never bothered to learn it.
What are you talking about? We've been through all kinds of space adventures together. Of course I know you, slugger.
Yeah, sure. Nice to meet you. I'm C-3PO.
C-3PO, yeah, no, I was just going to introduce you, C-3PO. Why didn't you let me, C-3PO?
Maybe we should go inside.
Yeah, let's get inside, C-3PO. You ever been to Cloud City, C-3PO?
I shall have the last laugh in this community.
Sorry to rip this from you, Keyframe, but she's insane.
And the sky is blue.
I'm done with it. I've already made quite the power up with the good doctor, and now I'm ever excited to see what you two have to offer me.
Oh crap.
With you.
What?
Uh-oh.
You're gonna die.
I didn't
Friends.
see you charging your horn to stop me. Pure
I guess you didn't have
unicorn.
enough time to
Taste the
charge it more.
darkness.
Keyframe, no!
Oh crap. Well, noble sacrifice.
Golden!
Do you think he'll ever pop the question?
You messed with the wrong unicorn. Take this, you!
Kinda looks like the Powerpuff Girls episodes. But then with limited detail and graphics, I'd understand why this is so hard. I couldn't even do that. It's like one layer after another.
Wrath and darkness.
More power than you think, you monochromatic monster!
Man.
Golden! Golden, can you hear me?
Boy, that's loud.
Oh, the hero wakes up. He was quite tasty too.
What's so goddamn funny?
Nothing.
Thank goodness you're awake. Golden, get out! Quick! I don't know how long I can hold her off.
Why? Why would I give a damn about helping you?
Watch this, Lise. You can actually pinpoint the second part rips in half. And now...
Oh yes! I didn't mention that, did I? Love, such a wonderful, strong personality trait to have. He had all this love inside of him. All for you, Keyframe.
Okay, I can totally see those two finally being a couple. One,
See where his
these
love gets
actual
you
married
now.
couple. Oh crap! There goes her. I wonder what she becomes.
Passion, very tasty traits to add to my arsenal.
Oh, passion.
I
Okay.
would say thank you.
I don't have
but
much passion
I
in
totally
life.
despise you both. At least your colors are an improvement.
Whatever you did,
I'm more like
you won't
Thunder Blight with the more
play with.
less optimistic
We'll do
power or
something
attitude.
to stop you. Whatever it is.
I try to be positive, but it's really
We
hard.
will,
Well, you are. I couldn't care what you do. I just want to go back to my channel. Get
Where's the
rid of
baseball
all the
bat?
junk you left there. Keyframe.
whatever, Golden.
Oh
But
man,
we
now they
gotta
don't like
focus
each
on
other.
stopping Blight. I don't care how. I just know she... I know she did something. Come on.
How can you stop me when your most powerful aspects are gone? Pathetic.
Oh, no.
Wonder what my aspects would be.
I know. I didn't think I'd see Key like that. There's not one speck of passion in her. And Golden, how could he treat her like that? It's
I
not
mean,
the
I know in
Golden
video
Fox
games I enjoy saving
Not
people
that,
all the time.
Robin.
Do you need help? Spare me some mercy, am I right?
For most healing done.
You're welcome.
Blight did something to them, and unless we do something, odds are she's gonna do the same thing to us.
And I'm pretty sure she's eavesdropping on the whole conversation.
Don't be stupid! We both know neither of us are a match for her. We have to find the one pony who can stand up to her magically.
Maybe Aeon?
Oh yes, Robin, we're going to flirt Blight into submission. I mean,
Hey,
Aeon.
where are we going?
He's a funny guy.
Run,
Oh yeah,
ponies.
yep, see, I knew it. She was
Take me
eavesdropping.
to the others who are next to fall into darkness.
Uh-oh. As I said in all my videos, sorry, I'm not very optimistic. I'm not sure if it's either my autism or something else, but it basically makes me a mod pie when I react. It's so great. No, that would make me droopy. But I still try to make you guys laugh, despite me not being that funny. But I guess my editing probably helps with the humor. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and have a nice day.